Now, talking about law reporters. Why are law reporters important? These are important because we follow the concept of precedent, right? Previously decided cases are referred in similar kind of cases that would come in the future. So once something is decided wherein court has invested their time, effort, energy, everything, that should be accepted like a proper decision, and that can be followed in all the cases to come. It would be referred by lawyers in strengthening their arguments. It would be referred by judges in giving a decision, and all that happens, right? So that's why law reports are very much needed, which should keep a record of those judicial decisions that are been decided. It would provide details of it. Reports of decision ordinarily contains title of the case, a statement of facts giving rise to the litigation, what was the cause of action all about, right? Its history in the courts. Is it that from trial court it came, it went to the sessions court, it went to high court, it went to Supreme Court? Those details also you would see that this was the matter, case was filed in lower court, they were not happy, they went to sessions court, like that details also you would get. So all those details would be provided, and then final judgment would be available there, so that if parties want, they can refer that and they can use it for different purposes. Okay. Now, when we talk about law reporters, these are for the higher court, Supreme Court as well as the high courts. We see different reports being published. In case of Supreme Court, we have some common reporters, but in case of high court, because it's like high courts are state specific, we have different publishers for high court cases. Okay. Now, there may be some reporters who are publishing full text law report, as in whatever was the judgment, right? Entire judgment you would get with like this detailed provision, you would get it. You would get this entire provision over here. So that is nothing but full text law report. Whatever happened, entire thing you will get over there, not like just a brief or something like that. There are some reports which are summary reports, okay, which would include summary of the case as seen in case digest. These are also comparatively less formal and as compared to full text report, because there you are trying to read the entire judgment and maybe you are providing a summary of the case. Okay, you are providing a summary of that particular case, that this is what happened, or might be these are the this is what was held by the court, like the important part you are highlighting over here, what would be relevant. There may be reports which you can classify based on whether it's official reports or a non-official report. When we talk about Supreme Court of India, which is the official reporter?
AIR and SCCI.
There is Supreme Court reporter, SCR. Okay, that is the official one. AIR and SCC, Supreme Court cases, these are like private ones, okay, who are publishing it. Same ways you would see for high courts also, right? For high courts also, there would be one official or maybe two official, and then there would be many non-official reporters also. Now, why we have official and non-official is because official reporters usually take a very long time. Like if you see some 2021 cases, you would still see that there is no citation because it's not yet being published. It takes a very long time. So many private players are also coming and they are also publishing those things with, like very frequently they are just publishing it for the purpose of reference. So you can see official as well as non-official reporters as well. Then you would say geographical context basis reporters also, like this mostly applies in case of Supreme Court, right? Supreme Court, it's applicable for all over India, right? So these reporters, official or non-official, accumulate and publish precedents from across the states. Such reporters would contain precedents set by Supreme Court, High Court of Madras, High Court of Maharashtra, and so on. All India reporter is an example of non-official. All India reports, while Indian law reports would be an example of official law reports. So even though it is All India reports, it is publishing of Supreme Court, it can even go for some high courts as well. Okay, some high courts, all high courts, it can also extend its scope as well. So this is nothing but based on geographical context, what all areas is it covering? Is it only Supreme Court? Is it some high courts also it is covering, or is it only some high courts? You would say state specific reports also, right? These are confined to a particular state. When we say state, these would mostly be publishing some high courts cases only. They publish precedents set only in assigned states, such as Allahabad Weekly Reporter, non-official. ILR Patna official. You would see sometimes weekly reporters also coming in. Even for Supreme Court, there are weekly reporters, monthly reporters. You would get all these things. There are also certain special law reports which are published keeping in mind a particular legal field or aspect. These law reports accumulate information regarding one particular issue or field, such as labor law, company law, criminal law, like that also you would see some specific area, specific intellectual property rights, right? That on that particular thing, what all cases are being decided, like that also we see, like income tax reports, labor law, like that also we see certain reports coming into picture, which is nothing but based on geography, that in this certain area what all cases are taking place. Based on that they would publish the reports. Okay,
ma'am.
Hey, before we continue, I wanted to inform you about my live mentorship program for LLB students or law aspirants. Law subjects and law topics need detailed clarity. We get that with the help of cases, examples, and detailed explanation. It's definitely not possible to include everything in these short videos. If you find my videos easy to understand and you are looking for some professional help in preparing for your examination, you can join my live mentorship program. Here you will be getting exam tips, answer writing skills, detailed notes that you can refer for your examination, cases, examples, and in a very easy way topics will be explained. I have live classes going on for a lot of subjects as of now. To know more about it, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. I'm also helping a lot of students in writing their assignments. If you need any such help or for any queries, any suggestions, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. And now let's continue with our video.